was on Minecraft and I had a leakage, okay, and then this happened. Can I have no words. It's like break it then, and it'll just what the. Okay, let me grab the grass. Okay, not gonna lie, that actually looks kind of cool. Someone tell me how this happened. I decided to like go and look in furthermore of my leakage. I broke the block above it. Okay, let me just show you how it looks at the top. Hold on, let me. Why does it look like that? It just looks like a mini pond. You can just go fishing in it. Okay, yeah, this is. No, thank you.